Hey.
All right, go look around the couch.
What is it? Huh?
Open it.
What is it, dude?
You want to help him?
Ready? Rip.
Here's Carson.
So it's Carson's.
No, I said there's Carson.
You know
Carson.
what this is?
Car.
It's a sleeping bag. Hey, it's a bear one. Look.
For me.
Oh, cool. Get in. Hey, look. There's a dog head for a pillow. Look. Hey.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
No.